Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Vivek Reddy. In this video, we are learning about semi-supervised learning and how and its application and how it works. Semi-supervised learning is a type of machine learning algorithm that represents the intermediate ground between supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms. It is the combination of labeled data and unlabeled data for the training data. Semi-supervised learning is an important category that lies between supervised and unsupervised. Although semi-supervised learning is the middle between the supervised and unsupervised, it operates on the data that consists of few labels. It mostly consists of unlabeled data, as labels are costly, but for the corporate purpose, it may have few labels. The basic disadvantages of supervised learning is that it requires hand labeling by ML specialist, and also it requires high cost to process. To overcome these drawbacks, the concept of semi-supervised learning is introduced. In this algorithm, training data is the combination of both labeled and unlabeled. However, labeled data exists very small amount while it consists of huge amount of unlabeled data. Initially, similar data is clustered along with unsupervised learning algorithm, and further, it helps to label the unlabeled data into labeled data. It is why labeled data is comparatively more expensive than unlabeled data. Coming to how it works. So, semi-supervised learning uses pseudo labeling to train the model with less labeled training data than supervised learning. The process can combine various neural network models and training ways. The whole working of semi-supervised learning. Firstly, it trains the model. With less amount of training data, similar to supervised learning models. The training continues until the model gives accurate results. The algorithms use the unlabeled dataset with pseudo labels in the next step, and now the result may not be accurate. Now the labels from the label training data and pseudo labels data are linked together. The input data in label training data and unlabeled training data are also linked. In the end, again train the model with the new combined input as did in the first step. It will reduce errors and improves accuracy of the model. So that is for the works and its applications. Semi-supervised learning models are becoming more popular in industries. Some of the applications are speech analysis, web content classification, text to document classifier. So it is the most classic example of semi-supervised learning applications. Since labeling the audio data is the most impossible task that requires many human resources, this problem can be neurally overcome with the help of applying SSL in a semi-supervised learning model and web content classification. This is very high critical and impossible to label each page on the internet because it needs more human interventions. Still, this problem can reduce through semi-supervised learning. Further, Google also uses semi-supervised learning algorithm to rank the web pages for the given query. So finally coming to text to document classifier. It would be very unfeasible to find a large amount of labeled text data. So semi-supervised learning is an ideal model to overcome this. So These are the applications of semi-supervised learning algorithm. So that's it for this video. Thank you.